Good morning. Let's start with feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders backing down, crown up towards the sky, chin parallel to the ground. Placing one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. So welcome to MATAKATIA, one of the many beautiful beaches on the Hibiscus Coast. You can see the storm passing through. So interlace the fingers, palms up towards the sky. Inhale, straighten the arms. Exhale to the left. Inhale to the middle. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, lengthen up. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale, over. Inhale, back. Exhale, down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, down. Now we'll inhale and twist on the exhale. Inhale, back. Exhale, down. Again, inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale, back. Exhale, down. One more each side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, bring the arms down. And we'll roll the shoulders back. And then roll the shoulders forwards. Placing the hands on the shoulders, circle with the elbows. And the other way. Alright, so we will do a bit of balance, and we're making a figure of 8 with the left leg. Go out to the front and out to the back. And now draw the other way. We're getting a bit of mobility in the hip, as well as concentration and balance. So on to the other side. So stand on the left, right leg, drawing that figure of 8. Forwards and back. And the other way. So now we'll do the figure of 8 out to the side. So up and down. And then the other way. The one way might feel awkward, but don't worry about it, as long as nothing hurts. So on to the other side. And then draw the other way. And bring the leg down. Easy forward bend, holding on to the elbows. Deep bend in the knees, body on the thighs. Inhale, exhale, trying to straighten the legs. And again, deep bend in the knees. Inhale, exhale, straighten. So one more, inhale. And exhale, straighten the legs just to wherever you get to. Then bring the fingertips down towards the toes. And we'll bend the knees and roll on up through the spine. Okay, so we're going to do high lunge. We're going to take the left foot forward and the right foot back. So both sets of toes are facing forwards, shoulders above the hips, front knees bent. And we'll try and get the balance before we add the twist. Bring the arms out shoulder level. We'll inhale first and then exhale, twist towards that bent leg. Inhale back to center. So exhale, twist, trying to keep the arms out at shoulder level. Inhale back, exhale, twist. Don't lean with the arms. So exhale, inhale back, exhale, twist, inhale. Now I'm going to swap to the other side. So right leg forward, left leg back. So remember the feet aren't one behind the other. We're at parallel distance. So I'm going to hold in the high lunge. And bring the arms out. And we'll inhale and exhale, twist at the waist. Inhale back. Exhale, inhale back, exhale, twist, inhale, 2 more, exhale, inhale back, exhale, twist, inhale, center, bring the arms down. Alright, so what we're going to do is star pose to warrior 3. So standing on the left, and then bring the right leg up. Now you can always just stay in the star pose if you want to, or if you want more of a challenge, and try it with the breathing. So inhale, then exhale, bring the body forwards and take the leg back. So nice and controlled, and then keep breathing, just holding there. We're going to try 3 of each if we can. Don't worry if you bring the leg down, it's all good. I'm going to come back to star pose. Remember, belly button squeezed in, finding your focus point. And then when you're ready, inhale, and then exhale as you move. And remember to keep breathing again. And then inhale. Exhale, control back to star pose. I'm going to go for 1 more warrior 3. So inhale, exhale, and breathe, and coming on out. Other side. So like I say, if you'd rather just hold one of the poses, that's all good. I'm going to stand on the right, bring that left leg up, finding your focus points. And when you're ready, inhale, and then exhale, moving into warrior 3, nice and controlled, no rush. So just a couple of breaths there, and then we'll inhale, exhale, come back to star pose, and breathe. And inhale, exhale, move, keep breathing. Inhale, exhale, back to star pose. We'll try for 1 more warrior 3, inhaling, exhale. And coming back to standing. Alright, so we're going to do pyramid pose. So I don't think we've done this together on the video yet. Done it on the beach with the group. So standing with the feet as you do in warrior 1. Now the arms, you can either hold onto the forearms or the elbows, or come into reverse prayer pose. You're going to have the right foot forward, left foot back. You're going to start off easy with that right knee bent. And inhale, and then exhale, bring the body forward. So we're aiming to get the body onto the thigh, and you can just let the head and neck relax. So it's quite an intense stretch. Remember, nothing should hurt. If this doesn't feel good, then don't do it. Now if it feels alright, and you can keep your balance, we're going to take it further and add the back bend. Inhale, exhale, look up to the sky. Inhale, exhale, come forwards, body on the thigh. So try and lengthen the spine. So we've got keeping that back heel grounded. And then coming on up. So we're going to do one more on this side. We'll inhale, exhale, looking up to the sky. Inhale there, exhale, come forwards. Just wherever you get to. Now if you want to take it further, start trying to straighten that front leg and then square off the shoulders. So that's the final pose. And carefully come on out. But you remember, you just come to wherever you can. Now it's quite intense if you're holding the reverse press, so you might want to just swing the arms, loosen off the shoulders a little bit. And do the other side. So left foot forward, so right foot more or less behind, slightly angled. So hands behind, either holding on to the elbows or the forearms or reverse prayer. We've got a bend in the front knee. So easy first one. Inhale, and then exhale, just bringing the body down, maybe onto the thigh, maybe nose to the knee, wherever you can get to. And control back up. So if we're all good, we're going to add the back bend. Inhale, exhale, looking up. Inhale, exhale, forwards. Remember, lengthen the spine. And carefully coming back up. We'll do one more. Inhale, exhale, looking up. Inhale there. Exhale, forwards, lengthening down. And then if you want to, try straighten that front leg nice and carefully. It is intense. Make sure you're still breathing. Do not force the pose. And then carefully come on out. Alright, just interlace the fingers, squeeze the shoulder blades together, little movement in the arms. And bring the left arm across, squeeze it in. And then the other side. Alright, we're going to do tree pose. So yes, I did have to stop the video. The gusts were getting just a little bit too much. But now we're back to blue sky. So we're standing on the right, bringing the left foot either to the ankle or the calf or the inner thigh. So we're going to do two poses on each side. So we're taking our time, just coming into our tree pose, wherever that may be. So you might want to keep the hands to the chest, or we can bring the arms up. So just whenever you're ready. Remember, keep the belly button squeezed in and use your focus point. And breathe. And bring the arms down. Other side. And bringing that right foot just to wherever you can. Put that knee out to the side. Move step by step, bringing the hands to the chest. So either keep pressing the palms together or lengthen the arms up. And breathe. And bring the arms down. And I think we'll be able to squeeze in one more each side before the wind picks up again. So, standing on the right, bring that left foot into the leg. Hands to the chest. So you can always keep the hands there if you want to, or if we're straightening the arms, I'm just going to add a little breathing exercise to it. So we're going to inhale, lengthen up the arms, and then exhale, relax the shoulders. Inhale, lengthen and straighten the arms. Exhale, relax. One more, inhale and exhale. Then we'll bring the arms down. So other side, bring that right foot up. So finding your balance. And gradually settling into the pose. And we'll bring the arms up if we want to. Try and press the palms together. So once we're steady, I'm going to inhale, lengthen and straighten the arms. Exhale, relax the shoulders. Inhale and exhale. One more, inhale and exhale. So keep breathing and bring the arms down. So we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. The shoulders back and down, crown to the sky. One hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose. Bring the in-breath to the lower hand. And just see if you can feel that heartbeat with the upper hand. Just notice if the breathing slows down. And we'll bring the arms down, and we are all done.